Hi, I am Dr. Jen Hardesty. I am a professor and director of undergraduate programs in human development and family studies. I teach courses on family stress, family theories, and intimate partner violence. My research focuses on intimate partner violence, particularly women's experiences after leaving abusive partners and co-parenting with them. And as the Director of Undergraduate Programs, I also oversee the HDFS James Scholars Honors students. So a lot of students, when they think about undergraduate research, they have visions of stereotypical kind of chemistry labs with the white lab coats and the beakers and chemicals, but it's completely different in HDFS. We are interested in understanding people, children, families, relationships, and the context within which they exist. So we're interested in understanding real-world problems and helping to solve those. So when you do research in HDFS labs, you're going to be working with people. So that might include recruiting people to participate in projects. You might also enter survey data, code data, but the end goal of the research in HDFS is to understand people, their experiences, and to improve their lives. At a given point in HDFS, there may be 10 or so research labs that are recruiting undergraduate students to become a part of the lab, and you can get research credit or course credit for participating in research projects. A few examples of labs that are currently recruiting students: we have the ADAPT lab with Dr. Kelly Tu, and she collects physiological data to understand adolescents and how they cope with stress. Another example is Dr. Courtney Cuthbertson. Their lab looks at farm families and how they deal with stress, especially as it relates to substance use and mental health outcomes. And then another example is Dr. Karen Kramer. She is starting a new project focused on how Latinx families are impacted by COVID-19, particularly in terms of work and family outcomes. You may think that research is only relevant to you if you're wanting to go on to a research program or if you're wanting to go into a career in which you would be doing research, but that's not the case. Research involvement as an undergraduate student will give you so many opportunities to gain skills that are transferable to any job that you might go to or any career or graduate school program that you go to in the future. For example, some of the things that you might learn on top of understanding research in the content area include developing teamwork skills, because you're often going to be working with faculty, graduate students, and undergraduate students. So you learn to collaborate. You learn how to be detail-oriented, how to ask critical research questions, how to interact with diverse populations. Also, depending on your interest and your skill level, you may have opportunities to participate in presentations, which gives you oral as well as writing skills. So there really is something for everyone. It's as simple as going online to our website and looking under research opportunities for undergraduate students. We update the undergraduate research opportunities at least once a semester, and it provides information there to tell you what the opportunity is and who to contact. Keep in mind that not all of the research opportunities are always up on the website, so if you're in a class and you hear a professor or a graduate student talking about their research and you think that might be interesting to you, don't hesitate to reach out to them, because they may have an opportunity or they may create an opportunity that would help you pursue something of interest.